Hello and welcome to today's video. If you've ever wished for a living room that feels bigger, brighter, and more inviting, you're in for a treat. You know, Chip and I have tackled our fair share of home transformations over the years, and I'm always amazed at the impact simple changes can make. Curtains are often an overlooked element of home decor, but they have the power to completely transform your space. In this video, we'll walk you through 3 genius curtain hacks that will not only make your living room look more spacious, but also maximize the natural light. These aren't about major renovations. They're about those little touches that make all the difference. We believe that everyone deserves a home they love, and sometimes it's the smallest tweaks that bring the biggest smiles. These hacks are easy, budget-friendly, and don't require a total makeover. Let's dive in and elevate your living room's style and functionality. Our first hack is all about creating the illusion of grandeur. You'd be surprised how much impact hanging your curtains the right way can have. We're aiming to trick the eye into perceiving taller windows and a more expansive space. It's a simple adjustment with a powerful visual effect. First things first, grab your measuring tape. It's time to find the perfect spot for your curtain rod. Measure the height of your window and then mark a spot 6 to 12 inches above the window frame on the wall. Don't be afraid to go a little higher. Trust me, it makes a world of difference. Now let's address the width. We want those curtains to extend beyond the window frame, creating a sense of flow and openness. Mark the wall 8 to 12 inches beyond each side of the window frame. This allows the curtains to stack gracefully outside the window when open, letting in maximum light. With your measurements marked, it's time to install the curtain rod. Position the rod brackets using the marks you made, ensuring they're level. A level is a girl's best friend in these situations. Secure the brackets with screws and you're ready for the fun part, hanging the curtains. When choosing curtains for this hack, go for length. Opt for curtains that gracefully kiss the floor or even puddle slightly for an added touch of elegance. It creates a luxurious, flowing look that elevates the entire room. Now slide those beautiful curtains onto the rod, making sure they're evenly distributed. Position them so they frame the window beautifully, leaving the glass fully visible when open. Step back and admire your handiwork. See the difference? Hanging your curtains higher and wider instantly makes your living room look taller, more elegant, and allows maximum light to flood in. It's like giving your windows a little facelift. Let's move on to our second hack, which is all about embracing natural light. We're going to transform your living room into a bright and airy haven using the magic of sheer fabrics. It's amazing how much lighter and more welcoming a room can feel just by switching up the curtains. When it comes to choosing the right fabric for this hack, think light and airy. Look for lightweight materials like voile, linen, or chiffon. These fabrics allow natural light to filter through beautifully, creating a soft, diffused glow. Avoid heavy fabrics with dark tones or busy patterns. While those can be beautiful, they tend to absorb light rather than enhance it. We want your living room to be bathed in sunshine. For those who love options, like me, layering curtains is a fantastic way to control both light and privacy. Consider using a double rod system to layer sheer curtains with blackout or thicker panels. Hang the sheer panels on the rod closest to the window to maximize their light diffusing abilities. If you're layering, add the thicker panels to the outer rod. This gives you the flexibility to let the sun shine in during the day and enjoy cozy privacy in the evenings. During the day, tie back those thicker curtains to let the sheer panels take center stage. The sheer fabric will diffuse the light beautifully, creating a soft, ethereal glow throughout your living room. It's like having a permanent Instagram filter for your windows. The result? Your living room will be bathed in soft, natural light, making it feel more open and inviting. It's amazing how such a simple change can make such a big difference. Our final hack is all about creating the illusion of height. If you're working with lower ceilings, this one's for you. We're going to use the power of vertical patterns and stripes to visually elongate the room. It's like giving your walls a little stretch without any construction required. When selecting your curtains, look for designs with bold vertical stripes or a subtle ombre effect that draws the eye upward. These patterns create a sense of visual continuity, making the walls appear taller than they actually are. Remember the first hack? We're going to apply the same principle here. Install the curtain rod higher than the window frame to enhance the illusion of height. Make sure the curtains are long enough to extend from the rod all the way to the floor, creating those elegant, elongated lines. To maximize the impact of your vertical patterns, Keep the surrounding decor minimal. Avoid cluttering the space with heavy furniture or busy wall art near the curtains. Let the vertical pattern be the star of the show, drawing the eye upward and creating that sought-after spacious feel. Want to amplify the effect even further? Introduce reflective elements into the space. A mirror placed opposite the window can work wonders, reflecting both light and the vertical lines of the curtains. This creates a sense of depth and openness, making your living room feel instantly larger. With the right curtains and strategic styling, your living room will not only feel taller, but also exude a sense of elegance and sophistication. It's amazing how a simple pattern can transform the entire atmosphere of a room. And there you have it, 3 genius curtain hacks to make your living room instantly bigger and brighter. I hope you feel inspired to try these out in your own home. Remember, creating a space you love doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With just a few adjustments, you can completely transform the look and feel of your space. Sometimes it's the smallest details that make the biggest difference. So go ahead, get creative, and have fun with it. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up to support our channel. And be sure to subscribe for more home improvement ideas and DIY inspiration. We love sharing our passion for creating beautiful and welcoming spaces with you. Stay creative and happy decorating. See you in the next video.